Hello guys, welcome to my channel Asif Randoms. Today I will make one special video for DTEs. In this video I will show you how to create workspace on Nemo Outdoor. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel, press bell icon and click on all to get all type of notifications. So okay, let's start. Open Nemo Outdoor. I will remove the previous setting. Here all previous setting I will remove. So before start the drive test engineering, before start the DTE, we should create a workspace or our project to start our work according to our requirement. But the basic thing is, the basic component of the drive test engineer in our Nemo Outdoor is the map, because we need to navigate our doors left, right or straight or anywhere. But so map is compulsory. So how to load the new map in our Nemo workspace? Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to click on data windows. Then you can see here are so many options: custom windows, graph, grid, indoor map. So we need to load new map. Just click on new, then new map X. Okay, here this waypoints no need to do. Here you can see all green color, light green color. This is the world map, world countries. But we will not use the whole world countries. We will use our respective countries where we are working and where we are performing the DTE drive test engineering. So I got the Malaysian Garmin, so I will show you how to load the highways, main roads and streets in our map. So there are some tools also like palm, cursor, arrow, zoom in, zoom out, delete and set our location. So we will use or you guys can use the laptop button also as well. Just plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out, plus for zoom in and minus for zoom out. Okay, so I will use the laptop buttons. Okay, zoom in. How to add the map layers? Click, you can see here the map layers. We will click on add map layers, add, then browse and locate your folder where is your map layers. Desktop. Here I got Malaysian Garmin. Double click on. We need to add one by one. I will add the highway first. Double click on highways, then OK, then press OK. Okay, zoom in. You guys can see the green color lines. These are highways. Okay, I disable the world countries map. Already disabled. Yeah, now you can see clearly this green color, dark green color, these are the highways. Now I will add the main roads, same as add map layers, browse, then click on desktop, Malaysian Garmin, click on main roads, click, then OK, then OK. Yeah, here all red color lines belongs to main roads, so it's mean all belong to main roads. Okay, I zoom out so you guys can see properly. Yeah, here. After that I will add the streets also compulsory, easy to navigation. Add map layers, same as before, browse, desktop, then Malaysian Garmin. Yeah, here the streets. all railways, water, off-road trail, compound and others no need to load. Just these three highways, main roads and streets are enough. Double click on streets, click OK, then click OK. Yeah, you can see the changes in the map. Here are some black thin colors. Yeah, black color thin lines also appear. Yeah, you can see. I zoom in. Yeah, these are main roads. That color is main road, the black color is streets. So zoom out, but you can see our streets, main roads and highways already added in our Nemo Outdoor. But before use, we must need to change the projections of our map. How to change the projection? Just right click on your map screen, go to properties, then here we need to use the third one, map X properties. Just use the map X properties. Wait, yeah, map X properties. Here there are many options, but we need to use projections. Just click on projections. Here category. In category we need to put longitude and latitude. Just select it, then below one is category members. Just scroll down and use the third last, longitude, latitude, WGS84 P4326. Just select it, then OK, then click apply and OK. So our projections already changes to our requirement. Yeah, here you can see main road, highways and streets, all you can see. Yeah, I zoom out first. Yeah, here you can see. So after that, after map we need to use some notifications bars also. There are many notifications bar, but I will tell you two main notifications bar. Just go to home, because later on we will add some devices, so we should know where we can see our devices notifications, how many devices we did add, and our devices are working properly or not. For that we need to go view. Here we need to mark or select the devices. Yeah, here you can see the devices box already appeared. This box will show us how many devices we did add here. We can change the name of device and can add the script and many things. After that, device status. Need to use device status. Device status, okay, I just mark it. Yeah, here on the right side you can see device status. So this box will show us how many devices we add and the devices are working properly or not. It's mean the device is add or not, connected or not with our laptop. So I will choose the auto hide. You just click on auto hide, so the box will be hide. Once you will click on it, the box, it will appear again. After that, click on home. But before exit Nemo Outdoor or before escape, we need to save our workspace. So whether we will escape, we will not lost our workspace. So no need to make it again or create it again. Just click on save button, save workspace, save here, save workspace and device configuration. Let's click here. You can give any name. I had put MALASIA. Isha 01. I will add by this name. Let's click on save. Yeah, Or this workspace has been saved successfully. So now you can exit. If you will exit, then you can get back your workspace as well. You already make it. So if you like this video, share, like and subscribe to my channel. In new videos I will tell you more about this software. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. Now you can click on exit. Are you sure? Really want to exit? Yes, just click on yes.